Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another Project Thrift 52 video. It's currently week 41, and I'm going to take you into the Goodwill located in Clayton, North Carolina. Like always, I will show you around, and then I'll show you anything that I purchase at the end of the video. Right away, I spotted some really nice headboards and I decided to go over and look at them. Unfortunately, the one that I was interested in had already been sold. Now I'm just gonna walk around my favorite section, which is obviously the home decor section, to see if I can find anything interesting. This next mug I thought was hilarious. It said "World's Craziest Cat Lady" and it had a blue ribbon on it. On the other side it said "You make the world a perfect place." And this next item was really weird. It was this green hand thing. I'm guessing it's some sort of pedestal or you put something on top of it. I'm not sure, but it was really weird. Maybe it was Halloween decor, I'm not sure. As I was walking around, this ballerina statue really caught my eye. And it did have a marking on the back side of it. Looks like it said Austin Production 1985. And then I came across a collection of unicorn figurines, and I'm pretty sure I had ones very similar to this. As a girl growing up, I had a whole shelf of them. I was really happy to come across these two small bowls, in the vintage spring blossom corral pattern, and I'm totally getting these, so I'll show you how I use them at the end of the video. I thought this box was really pretty. I loved the detail around the edges. And now I'm going to share with you everything that I purchased today. I really fell in love with that Victorian inspired parasol that I saw, so I had to get it. It was brand new and it was only $2.99. And it was from the Victorian Trading Company. I went to their website and the parasols like this retailed for about $30 to $40, so I thought I got a great deal. My daughter Hannah really loved this parasol as well, and she's showing you guys how it looks when it's opened up. It has a little tassel on the end, and I just thought it was gorgeous. The next two items that I purchased were those small vintage Corelle bowls, and I have them here on my ladder shelf with all of the other thrifted Corelle that I've picked up in the last few months. I originally had the teacups where the small bowls are now. I decided to move them up to the top shelf right beside my tea kettle here. So now the Corelle is evenly dispersed among the shelves, and I think it looks a lot better. And the last thing that I purchased was the small little cast iron hummingbird. It was 99 cents, and I just have him out here on my patio. He's just hanging on my pot here, and it looks like he is getting some nectar out of my flowers. So that is everything that I found this week. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you back for week 42.